Well, I was getting ready to move my propane tank and I got a flat tire. I don't have my air pump in this, and that thing's emptied out. So a lot of people argued with me on the internet that said, oh, a smart car doesn't have a air pump or anything in it. Well, now I'm making a video since I gotta have the light on to see what I'm doing. So under the carpet, for one, this is where your battery is. Just a regular car battery, and this one has a battery tender or something connected to it, which I've never used because I've never had the battery go dead. But just for the heck of it, I'll pull all this stuff out so people can see what I'm talking about. Maybe. And that's your tow hook that you put in the front of the bumper to, well, there's a plug for the battery tender, or at least the plug for the extension. So I guess I'm not going to dig all that out. But under here, not only is a Mercedes air pump, but there's also a container of Mercedes tire sealant, which hopefully I never have to use. Looks like it expires 3/2016, so I don't know what it means. You try and use expired tire sealant. But anyways, so we'll try this thing out because I've never even taken it out of the bag before and it was taped shut. So let's see how this works. Of course, being a man with a man card, I'm not gonna go pulling all the instructions out. I'm just gonna see if I can figure it out with one hand. Come on now. Huh. German twist ties are the same as American twist ties. Who'd have thought? Come on now. And then I guess you normally lock the sealant thing in there, but I ain't using the sealant. So let's see if I can use it without the dealy bopper. Well, it looks like I can. And I don't know if I'm supposed to have the engine running, but I'm gonna. Man, that thing's sparky. It's gonna be fun to wrap back up, but it is what it is. I guess I should have done what real YouTubers do and do everything first to see how it works and then act like they're doing it for the first time. But I'm not a real YouTuber anyways. Alright. Down here, find all the spiders I can find. thing's fast. Might as well do them both at this rate. Yeah, that one can use some air. Fast. What did that get up to? I don't know what kind of pressure these are supposed to have, but that thing's hard as a rock. That looks pretty clean. Alright, well, we'll let the little car run for a while because I haven't driven it since it's been raining, but at least people know I wasn't making up stories about a Mercedes air pump kit and sealant. I think this is a released air pressure in a smart car. So we'll get back to that after I'm done what I was doing.